When you are cheerful, when you are confident and you express your views confidently, the group members will connect with you automatically. They would like to listen to your viewpoints. And if your viewpoints are listened well, maybe that somebody may agree with your viewpoint or somebody may not agree with your viewpoint, but the very fact is somebody is relating his viewpoint, his or her viewpoint with your viewpoint, means you are confident, that's why people are listening to you. So you have to show that confidence. Not to worry whether the other person is not agreeing with your viewpoint. It's fine. It is very much acceptable in group discussion, because group discussion is all about agreement and disagreement. So, but when you agree, when you express your agreement or you express your disagreement with somebody's viewpoint, you should not be rude, you should not be aggressive. You have to be genuine, you have to be calm, you have to express your even disagreement in a very decent manner. Okay, you cannot say, how can you say that? I don't agree with you. No, you are totally wrong. Let me tell you, when you are in the group discussion, nobody is wrong. Everybody is. That's why I have given you a topic in your opinion. So his opinion and her opinion may be different. She is right from her perspective, he is right from his perspective. So who says that somebody is right or somebody is wrong? So everybody is right. And when everybody is right, why should you unnecessarily, put yourself under stress? Why? You should always be forthcoming, you should always be expressive. Mind में जो है ना, दिमाग में मत रखो चीजों को.